Hello and welcome to my channel Physics for Students. My name is Shaunak, and just to tell you that on 27th of August, which is a Sunday, I am conducting a free webinar on Einstein's general theory of relativity. Yes, it is an absolutely free webinar which will be held on my channel through Google Meet, and I would be sending you an invitation for those who are interested to participate in this webinar. It is starting from 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and I will be basically taking you through a wonderful journey exploring the different ideas of Einstein's general theory of relativity and the different components involved in Einstein's field equation. I got a good amount of participation from different parts of the world. So this is just a quick update because we are not left with many days. Those who are interested to participate in this webinar can write to this email ID along with a WhatsApp number. Yes, you just need to write a little bit about yourself and mention your WhatsApp number. As soon as I receive, I will be sending you a confirmation for this webinar. On Sunday early morning or about before afternoon, I will be sending you the Google Meet link. You can join either through your mobile or through your laptop. I think everybody has got a Gmail account, so logging in won't be a problem. Now, why I am doing this webinar, let me tell who are the target audience. And I would really encourage anyone coming from a non-teaching background or a non-science background, I would say, are even better that they can participate. To be very honest with you, those who are doing already a PhD or a doctorate in general relativity, they are absolutely welcome. But those young students who are willing to participate, who don't know what this general relativity is all about, who don't know what are black holes and how Einstein field equations take place, how they play an important role in our understanding of modern gravity, I would welcome them very much. The reason is that young students, they really don't have much idea about what is happening, what are the implications, how they would study, and what are the pros and cons, and what are the different avenues and complexities of general relativity. You understand that general theory of relativity is one of the most interesting. So I would encourage anybody who is willing to take up as a physics major, who is willing to study relativity, who wants to take up relativity as a major, or those who are absolute fresh graduate, has got not much idea about relativity but who are interested, please do participate. It is an absolutely free webinar, so you don't have to worry about that. What we are covering, I am covering in this webinar. Now, to be very honest with you, the first webinar went quite long because I have to cover a lot of topics. So what I am trying to do is that to give you a complete, comprehensive, holistic understanding about Einstein's field equations. Now you understand that Einstein field equation is something which Einstein and other great mathematicians and physicists developed over a period of 10 years of time. Now obviously in 10 years of time you cannot just consolidate it in a few hours time. So what I am targeting is that I would be starting first with special theory of relativity. What are the basic tenets and what are the limitations of Newtonian mechanics, why special relativity came into. From special relativity, how the Maxwell's equations actually become relativistic. What were the limitations of special relativity which made into GR or general relativity? How general relativity came, some astounding and great historical facts which I'm sure you're going to enjoy. I'm not telling it in this video. Most importantly, the curvature of space-time, why Einstein united space and time into one holistic space-time. Apart from that, I am going to cover each and every component of Einstein field equation, tensors, how tensors came into being, what is differential geometry, what is the role of differential geometry in Einstein field equations, black holes, cosmology, gravitational time dilation, and a lot. Taking you through a wonderful journey which you're sure going to enjoy, and it won't neither be too complex, neither it would be too easy. So that's all. I don't want to extend. I'm just left with few more days. So those who are interested to participate in the 27th August webinar, please write to me, mention your WhatsApp number, and I will be sending you a confirmation, and then we will start on 27th August sharp at 8 p.m. via Google Meet. That's it. I hope that you will enjoy this journey, you will enjoy this study, and your ideas about general relativity, cosmology, black hole, and Einstein field equations will be much more. Just to add a little bit more, on September there are 3 speakers coming on from quantum field theory, on quantum gravity, general relativity, cosmology. They are much more academically and professionally sound, and they are quite established in different universities. Please watch out my update on my channel so that you understand. I will be from time to time giving you reminders for those speakers who are coming in, and please do join for this entire event of September. 3 distinguished speakers coming. I think your queries, your confusions will be addressed, and you are welcome to ask any question. Just to tell you, in this general relativity also I am keeping a FAQ or a question answer session so that you can ask your doubts, and as far as I know, I can clear it up. So mark your date, 27th August starting 8 p.m. a free webinar on Einstein's general relativity. Please do join, write me an email. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.